Today in Bay 4, Dry Dock Marine, got a nice slick little MasterCraft X1. We're gonna get this boat cleaned up, ready for winterization. The guys have already done the winterization on the motor and drive line. So I'm gonna do the interior, and this boat gets trans shield. So I'll show you how that's gonna go. I'll begin in the bow of the boat. Got my cleaners here. I use different colored rags to remember which one I've used with which. I'm gonna get all the moisture out of this and then give it a mold and mildew protection, wipe down, and then I'll proceed to the rest of the boat. You see I'll be taking all the wet items out of the boat for storage outside, and we'll get this thing cleaned right up and ready. And here we are, all cleaned up. Desk and bags hung that will be inside of the cover. Everything's been sprayed down, cleaned, white, mold and mildew resistant spray. We're ready for a cover. Customers' wet items have been removed from the boat and will be stored nicely for the winter. Now we have the trans shield draped over the boat. And the next step will be to heat shrink it to make it fit. And here we are. Trans shield installed. Tight and clean. That boat's ready to go away for winter.